Howdy doody, peeps and peepettes. I don't know where that came from. Anywho, bit of a different video on stuff I do, because we have been concentrating quite a bit of late, because of lockdown that is, on dioramas. And there's still one ongoing, as we know. The Beetlejuice Bridge, I haven't forgot about that. However, for the first time in a long time, we've been able to meet people outside. In ones. So I met up with a friend of mine and for a change took out the old Mavic Mini, took for a bomb round. So I went back to Bulwell Park and had a scoot around there. So I just thought, very similar footage to the first Bulwell video, slight difference. Thought I'd just share it with you, just show that I've been getting out and about, a bit of fresh air, and I've been playing with my Mavic, which is nice for a change, so I'll just share that with you. So we'll get on with that. Super, so for those who've never been to Bulwell Park before, cracking little place, you can see loads of wide open spaces. There is actually some woods there. A bit of an explore around there. There's actually a golf course too, so that's good. There is a tea room so you can get a cuppa, and of course, so that opens on the 12th, I think it is, of April. You have to go in there and sit down and bite to eat, that kind of thing. Nice, be a lovely place to go. So let's have another look round. So there we are, another bomb around Bulwell Hall Park. I enjoyed it, it was great. A little overcast, which is fine, because not always the sunshiny days are the best for flying, because you can't always see your screen very well, and you're struggling to see if it's in the sun, you struggle to see your drone. But I enjoyed it, lovely day, it was a bit chilly, but not cold enough to make me leave, so I stayed. So hope you enjoyed that, just a bit different, something a bit different, pass the time. So as spring and summer approaches, I'm going to try and get out and about a bit more, doing something a bit more scenic, shall we say. Thanks for watching, thanks for putting up with it, stay safe, see you again soon.